Another big topic of discussion on that call today, how schools are handling COVID cases and how they should be handling them. Our Shira Matsuzawa was on that call and brings us now what the state healthcare leaders had to say about that.
We have seen changes in schools and how they're operating, and it is very concerning.
State Administrator of Public Health Elke Shaw-Tolik expressing concern over the recent COVID-19 cases in schools across Idaho, and in some instances, schools closing or switching to remote learning within the first 2 weeks of kids back in class. Her remarks on Tuesday's Idaho Health and Welfare COVID-19 media briefing came just minutes before state epidemiologist Dr. Christine Hahn said she heard West Ada will now require masks for teachers and staff, which she says is a step in the right direction. She also revealed her own kids are in the Boise School District and said she's glad they have a mask mandate in place. So is it safe for young, unvaccinated kids to be in school?
We know that wearing masks work, and an important tool for schools to be using.
Dr. Hahn echoing those sentiments.
I think we believe that is the best way to keep schools open and to keep kids safe, and we'll just keep iterating that. I think time will show that. I think West Ada is maybe already heading that direction and realizing that masks are going to protect their teachers and keep outbreaks from happening and keep kids in school. And we hope that other school districts do the same thing.
But are there more steps that could be or could have been taken as schools open? Dr. Hahn believes so.
I strongly think that mask wearing, whether it's through requirements or whether it's through the culture and encouragement and voluntary, I feel like kids are safer and teachers are safer, staff are safer if everyone who's vaccinated can be vaccinated, everyone who can is wearing a mask, and of course as much social distancing as possible, which with this weather right now is still possible to a large extent.
Dr. Hahn adds there are other things that can be done that aren't talked about as much. For example, schools can look at its ventilation systems. Also, disinfection is key. She acknowledges many schools are doing the right things, but says not all of them are. And as we've previously reported, the state is offering financial support to schools to help them with COVID response efforts. Dr. Catherine Turner says so far 17 school districts have contacted them through the registration site on the State Department of Education website to let them know they're interested in exploring this. Mark?
We said and have been saying for a long time, this is a fluid situation. These schools are trying to figure this out as they go, hopefully with the direction of the state health managers. Shira, thank you.